Hi students, welcome to my class. Dear students, in the previous classes we are discussing the areas of related to circles. In that chapter, the last classes we are discussing the exercise 5.1. So today we are going to discuss the exercise 5.2. So in that exercise, it is depend on areas of the sector and segment of a circle. So what is the areas of segment and the areas of sector circles? So we already know that in the last chapter I already discussed the segment of a circle and sector of a circle. You already know it. So what that area we have to find it. So what is the formulas of the areas of sector and areas of the segment? Let us start it. See students, this is one of the circle. So this is the sector, means the two radii, the area is bounded by two radii and the arc. This is called as what? Sector of a circle. So this area, this is the what? Minor sector, and this is a major sector. So this is angle. So this is theta. Theta is nothing but angle. Okay, we call it as theta. Okay, keep in your mind. So for example, this 60 degree. This angle is become 60 degree, 120 degree, 190 degree, something. Okay, so that is called as theta. So if you want to calculate this area, so this is the area of minor sector. Correct? Minor sector. It is equal to theta by 360. 360 means the sum of the areas of the circle. So into pi r square. So 360 is the sum of the angles of the circles. Total angles of the circles is 360 degree. So theta means angle subtended by the center. So theta by 360 into pi r square means areas of the circle. So this is the areas of the minor sector. Minor sector. This is minor sector, and this is major sector. Okay. So this area, how you are calculating this major sector? This is minor sector. Okay. Yes. Areas of major sector. So major sector, very simple students. Theta minus 360 minus theta. So total is there now. So this is also theta. So this theta. So total how much centimeter degree is there? 360. I want this angles only. So total area minus, that means total 360 minus this theta. This angle should subtract it. That's why 360 minus of theta by how much? 360. For example, theta is 60 degree. So this is the angles of the minor sector. So what is the major sector angle? So it is 60 degree. It will become 300 degree. So 300, how you are getting 300? 360 minus of 60. We can get 300. That's why. So in generally, so 360 minus of theta into 360 into pi r square. So this is the major sector, areas of the major sector formula. This is the areas of the minor sector formula. Okay. Next student. Areas of quadrant circle. Areas of quadrant circle. Already we know that. Areas of the quadrant circle. I already know it. So last classes I told that. So what is that? Pi r square by 4. How we are getting the pi r square by 4 means, see students, this is a circle and this is a quadrant of a circle. Yes, this is a quadrant of a circle. 4th part. Correct? 1/4 of the circle is called as quadrant of a circle. So in that quadrant of a circle, theta how much degree? 90 degree. Is it right? 90 degree. So you have to substitute this formula. So theta means 90 by 360 into pi r square. So 0 get cancelled. 9 ones are 9 4s are. Therefore pi r square into 1 what? Pi r square divided by 4. So that's why the areas of the quadrant circles is pi r square by 4. What is the areas of the semicircle? Semicircle area, it become pi r square by 2. How we are getting pi r square? Semicircles means like this. This is circle, this is semicircle, this is center. So what is the areas? So what is the angles at the center in the semicircle? 180. Now 360 minus of 180. Correct? So it becomes 180. 180 minus of 360. Theta means 180. 360 into pi r square. So 0 get cancelled. 18 ones are 18 twos are. Therefore pi r square into 1 pi r square by 2. So this is the areas of the semicircles. Okay? Yes. Next student. areas of the, so these are the areas of the, see students, areas of the minor sector is 360 by theta by 360 into pi r square. Major sector is 360 minus theta by 360 into pi r square. Okay, so be careful, you have to listen carefully and you have to remember in your mind. Okay, so next I will come to the sector of work. Now I will come to the segment of the circle. Okay students, see, segment, we know already segment. What is the meaning of segment? So segments means a chord and the arc is enclosed by the arc and the chord is called as segment. So this is what minor segment. Minor segment. This is the major segment. Major segment. Okay. So this is the center of the circle. Oh. So how you are calculating this area? See students, this is the what? The radii. Radii. See, I want the minor segment. I want minor segment. Areas of minor segment. Minor segment. It is equal to formula. See, first this area, total area. What we call this area? We store all area. So all area we call it as areas of what? Minor sector. Is it right? These are the minor sector. Ishtu area dalli nanige ee area beda. Ee area beda. Correct? I don't want this area. So what shape of this shape? Triangle. Yes, this triangle area I don't want. So total area dalli andre minor segment sector dalli area of minor sector dalli minus area of triangle area bad. So what is the area of the minor sector? Theta by 360 into pi r square, correct? Minus of areas of triangle. Area of triangle. So which formula you are using? Half into base into height or Heron's formula. If they are given the base and height, we should use the half into base into height. Otherwise, if they are not given the base, if they are not given the height, we should use the Heron's formula. Last year we already learned it. What is the areas of the Heron's formula? Square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. S means half of the perimeter, it is semi-perimeter, and a, b, c are the sides of the triangle. When they are given the sides only, if they are not given the height, then we can use the Heron's formula. If they are given the base and height, we should use the half into base into height formula. Okay. So this is the what? Minor segment area. Like areas of major segment. Major segment students, see, major segment alli correct ah idu nalastira idanತ major segment. Okay, ಇದು so ನನಗೀಗ ಈ ಏರಿಯಾ ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ನನಗೆ ಈ ಏರಿಯಾ ಬೇಕು, ಇಷ್ಟು ಏರಿಯಾ ಬೇಕು. ಈ ಏರಿಯಾ ಬೇಡ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, so areas of the, see, so what is this? This area is what? This area, total area, major sector plus this is what? Areas of the triangle. Major sector area and what that area of triangle. What is this? Area of triangle. So I want this is what? Major segment, areas of the major segment. Is it right? So this, if you want the area of this major segment, if you add the areas of the minor sector and the areas of major sector and the areas of the triangle. See, areas of major segment, ಈ area ಬೇಕು, ಇದು minor segment ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಇದು major segment. ಈ major segment ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಇದು major sector, ಇದು triangle area. ಈ ಏರಿಯಾ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಏರಿಯಾ ಎರಡು ಸೇರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಮೇಜರ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಮೇಜರ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಮೇಜರ್ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕೀಗ, ಇದು ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಇದನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್? ಏರಿಯಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮೇಜರ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮೇಜರ್ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್? 360 minus theta by 360 into pi r square plus half into base into height, or Heron's formula. Anyone you should use it. So this is the areas of the minor segment and this is the areas of the major segment. Are you understood? Yes. Now students, area of the length of the arc, length of minor arc. Yes. How you are calculating the minor arc and the major arc? See, this is circle. So this is a minor arc and this is a major arc. See, this is a sector. So what is the formula? Theta by 360 into 2 pi r. This is the length of the minor arc. Theta means this is the theta. So theta by 360. Theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Pi means 22/7. R means radius. Correct. If you are using this formula, we can get the length of the minor arc. Like major arc, E arc ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ arc ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ major arc into it is equal to 360 minus theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Very simple. So this is the length of the major arc, that is the length of the minor arc. Minor arc means theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Major arc means 360 minus theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Okay. So these all formulas you should learn it. You should memory in your mind. So very important questions. Very important formula. All these formulas. Okay. Now I will go to directly exercise problems. One more formula. See, area of equilateral triangle. Do you know equilateral triangle formula? I already in the 9th standard I told that. So what is that? Root 3 by 4 into a square. This is the areas of the what? Equilateral triangle formula. So directly we should use it. If they are given all sides they are given equal, then we can use this formula root 3 by 4 into a square. A means sides of the equilateral triangle. We already know it. So next students, I will go to the directly question exercise problems. Exercise 5.2. The first question: find the area of sector of a circle with radius 6 cm if the angle of the sector is 60 degree. Yes, we have to calculate the areas of the sector. Radius ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, theta ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, 60 degree. Angle means theta. We have to calculate the areas of the sector. Yes. First I will draw the diagram. So in that theta, so radius they are given, this is 60 degree, radius 6 centimeter. Okay. We have to calculate the areas of the sector. Sector means we know already. This is the sector. The area is bounded by 2 radii and 1 arc. This is the sector. So first area of sector. Which type of sector? This is minor sector. Okay. Sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Okay. First radius they are given 6 centimeter. Theta they are given 60 degree. Now we have to substitute this formula. Theta means 60 by 360 into theta means 60 by 360 into pi means 22 by 7 into r square means 6 square. 6 into 6. 6 square means otherwise should one more thing 6 0 0 to cancel. I mean 6 ones are 6 6 are. Therefore 1 by 6 into 22 by 7 into 6 square means 6 into 6. So again 6 6 get cancelled. Here 22 by 7 means I will can write 3.14 into 6. So it means 6 4s are 24, 6 1s are 6 plus 2 8, 6 3s are 18. So 18.84 centimeter square or 22 into 6 what? 22 into 6 2s are 12, 6 2s are 12 plus 1 13, 13 by 7 centimeter square. So e for fraction formula ready ಅಥವಾ decimal formula ready ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ. So 18.84 centimeter square or 132 by 7 centimeter square. What is this? Areas of the sector. You understood? Yes. Next one, find the areas of the quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. We have to calculate the quadrant of a circle. So what is the area of quadrant of a circle? Yes, it is called as pi r square by 4. So if you want to find the areas of the quadrant of circle, I needed that radius. But here, that given the circumference. In that circumference, if we are we can use the circumference by finding the radius. Yes, c is equal to 2 pi r. How much centimeter? 22 centimeter. Circumference they are given. So now I calculate the radius. So 2 into 22 by 7. Pi means 22 by 7 into r is equal to 22. So 22 will cancel. Here only you should divide it. You have to cancel it. So 2r is equal to 7 into 1 7. So r is equal to 7 by 2 centimeter. Okay, this is the r. Otherwise r is equal to 3.5 centimeter. So I want area of quadrant of a circle. Area of quadrant of a circle. So what is the formula of area of quadrant of a circle? Pi r square by 4. Easily you have to find out the areas of a quadrant of a circle. So a pi means 22 by 7 into r square means r square means otherwise. So 1 by 4 you should take out the constant into pi means 22 by 7 into r square means 3.5 or 7 by 2. Anyone you should use it. 7 by 2 whole square. That only you should use it because of the calculation is very easy. So 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 whole square means 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. So 7 get cancelled. So 2 1s are 2, 11s are, so again 11 7s are 77, 4 2s are 8, 77 by 8 centimeter square. Otherwise 8 1s are 8, 8 9s are 72, 8 9s are 72 means 550, 8 is 48 to 20, 8 2s are 16 centimeter square. Okay students, so like this we have to find the areas of the quadrant of a circle. So next students, number 3. So what is the question number 3? The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the areas swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Not 15 minutes. This is 5 minutes. Okay. Yes, students. See, this is one of the circle. This is a clock. 12, 9, and then 3, and then 6. This is 1 and 2, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8, 10 and 11. Okay. So in that. See what they are asking. Find the length of the minutes. The length of the minutes hand of a clock in 14 centimeter. So a clock in a hand in a length ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 8 centimeter ಇದೆ 12 centimeter ಇದೆ 12 or 14 sorry 14 centimeter. Okay. So find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. 5 minutes ಏನಾದರೂ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ 5 minutes ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. 5 minute hand ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ನಿಮಿಷ ಸ್ವೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಿನಿಟ್ 5 minutes ಮೂವ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಏರಿಯಾ ಈ ಏರಿಯಾವನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಏರಿಯಾ ಸ್ವೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಏರಿಯಾ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಏರಿಯಾ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಏರಿಯಾ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ಏರಿಯಾ 360 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ 12. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 12, threes are 36. Okay, 12 threes are 36, 0, 30 degree. Yes, for each 5 minutes it become 30 degree. Each 5 minutes it become 30 degree. Okay, so that's why theta is equal to 30 degree. R is equal to how much length of the hand, 14 centimeter. Now area of find the area swept by the minute hand. Area of swept by the minute hand. Minute hand. It is equal to. So what is this area? This is a radius and this is a arc. So what is this area? This is the area of sector. What is the area of sector? Theta by 360 into pi r square. So that formula you should use it. Theta means 30 by 360 into pi means 22 by 7 into r square means 14 square. Radius means 14 square. So 0 0 get cancelled. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 12 it become. So 1 by 12 into 22 by 7 into 14 square means 14 into 14. So 7 ones are 7, 2s are 14, 2 ones are 2, 2 6s are 12, and then 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14. So therefore 22 into 7 by 3. So what is that? 22 by 7 into 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15. 15 by 154 by 3 centimeter square. So this is the area of swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. 5 minutes alli ಎಷ್ಟು ಏರಿಯಾ swept ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 154 by 3 centimeter square ಅಷ್ಟು ಏರಿಯಾ swept ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಯ್ತು. So next students, number 4, I will go to the question number 4. So a chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter, subtended right angles at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment and the major sector. Pi is equal to 3.14. We should use the pi value is 3.14. Okay students, first I will draw the diagram. This is a circle. Okay. Yes, this is the center of the circle. Okay. See, a chord of a circle of the radius 10 centimeter. See, this is the radius 10 centimeter. He is the right angles at the center. Center right angle is 90 degree. So chord ಇವೆರಡರ radius ಇನ end points ಗಳನ್ನ join ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it become chord. ಈ chord so ಇದರ radius ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆ 10 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್. ಇದು ಕೂಡ 10 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್. All radius are equal. Okay. Find the chord of a circle of the radius 10 cm, subtended right angles at the center. Okay, this is a 90 degree. Right angles means 90 degree. Find the areas of the corresponding minor segment. First one is minor segment. Minor segment. Okay. First, what is the theta? Theta is equal to 90 degree, and r is equal to how much centimeter? 10 centimeter. Now we have to calculate the area of the segment. Segment means this is the area. Okay, this area we want to calculate. Yes or no? Yes. Now students, if you want this area, so this area first you have to find it. This total area, whole area. So what we call this area? All area. This whole area is area of sector. Is it right? Area of sector minus this is whole area is area of sector minus area of triangle. We should minus the area of triangle. This area tagre area of segments ಇದೆ. Correct? Yes. Area of sector what? Theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of a triangle. So this area triangle area, this is the height and this is the base because of right angle triangle. That's why I am using half into base into height formula. Yes, theta means 90 by 360 into pi means 3.14 into radius means 10 square minus half into base means base, this is a base 10 centimeter, height is also equal to 10 centimeter. Now 0 cancel, 9 ones are 9, 4s are. Therefore 3.14 into 10 square means 100 whole upon 4, this 4 minus 2 ones are 2, 5s are 10, 5s are how much become 50. Next students, 3.14 is there, no? So this should shift to the point to the two places because of we should multiply by 100. That's why it become 314 divided by 4. It is minus of 50. So 4 ones are 4, 4 8s, 4 7s are 28, 4 7s are 28, 3 remain 34 become 8s are 4 8s are 32 become remaining 2 20, 4 5s are 20. So 78.5 minus of 50. Okay, 78 minus of 50 will become how much? It is equal to 78 minus of 5 and 50. So 50, 8 minus of 0, 8, 7 minus of 2, 28.50. So 28.50 centimeter square. This is the areas of the segment. Okay. Now we have to calculate the and then areas of major sector. Okay, area of major sector. major sector. It is equal to, what is the area of major sector? 360 minus of theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Is it right? This is the areas of the major sector. See, it is equal to 360 minus of theta means 90. Same. Major sector ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಈ area. Okay, this area, this all area, major sector, not segment, this area. Okay, so ಈ area find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 270 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Yes or no? So 360 minus of 90 divided by 360 into 22 by 3.14 into r square is 10 square. Next, 360 minus of 90 means 270. 270 minus of 360. Okay, into 3.14 into 10 square means 100. Next, 0 get cancel. 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36. So 303 into 3.14 into 100 means 340 divided by 4. So 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4, carry 3 3s are 9 by 4. You should divide it. So 4 1s are 4, 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 22, 4 5s are 20, 4 5s are 20. So 235.5 centimeter square. This is the areas of the major sector, and this is the area of the minor segment. What is that? 28.50, and this is the major sector. Understood? So like this we have to use it, formula and finding the areas. Next is what? Next question number, I will go to the question number 8 directly. 5th, 6th, 7th you should do in your home. Question number 8. A horse is tied to a peg at one corner of the square shaped grass field of size 15 meter by means of 5 meter long rope. Find the areas of that part of the field in which the horse can graze. Second question, the increasing the grazing area if the rope were 10 meter long instead of 5 meter. Okay. So first I will write down of the diagram. In your textbook is the diagram. So I will write. So this is the square shaped field. In that shape, so at the one corner I will tie the one of the horse. One horse we can tie in at the one corner of the field. So in that 5 meter I will take the 5 meter rope. 5 meter rope. So here horse is there. Okay, this horse can graze the field. This part, this much area they are grazing. Okay, ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಇರೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರೇಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರೇಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಗ್ರೇಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇನಾದರೂ ಗ್ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಗ್ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬಂದರೂ ಗ್ರೇಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೋಪ್ ಇರೋದೆಷ್ಟು 5 ಮೀಟರ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಇದರ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 15 ಮೀಟರ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಆಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ what is the area can graze the field of the horse? So ಎಷ್ಟು ಏರಿಯಾವನ್ನ, find the area, that part of the field which the horse can graze. ಎಷ್ಟು ಗ್ರೇಸ್ ಅನ್ನ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಏರಿಯಾವನ್ನ ಗ್ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಏನೋ ಹಾರ್ಸ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೀಟರ್ ರೋಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? 5 ಮೀಟರ್ ರೋಪ್. ಇದು 5 ಮೀಟರ್ ರೋಪ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದು 5 ಮೀಟರ್, ಇದು 5 ಮೀಟರ್ ರೋಪ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಫೀಟ್ in a square, each angle is measured 90 degree. So what is become? This shape is become what? This is what? Quadrant of a circle. Is it right? Area, first one I will find out the area of, so what we have to find out, area of that part of the field in which the horse can graze. First I will find the area of the quadrant of a circle, quadrant of a field, quadrant of field. It is equal to, so what is that? This is the area of the quadrant of circle. So this is pi r square by 4. Directly I will write down pi r square by 4. So 22 by 7. So I will use the 3.14 because of pi value they are asking. They are taking pi is equal to 3.14. That's why. Into r square means radius 5 square by 4 is equal to 3.14 into 5 square means 25 divided by 4. Okay. 25 4s are 100. 25 5 are 25 plus 10 35 4 are 100 10 carry 25 was 25 plus 10 35 5 3 carry 25 3 is 75 plus 3 78 78.50 divided by 4. So okay. Next, this centimeter, sorry, meter square. Okay, this is meter square. Next, students, second one. So what is that? The increasing grazing area. So adana increase ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಏರಿಯಾವನ್ನು increase ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಎಷ್ಟು ರೋಪ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10 ಮೀಟರ್ ರೋಪ್ ಇಂದ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದಕ್ಕೆ 10 ಮೀಟರ್ ರೋಪ್ ನ ಏನಾದರೂ ಸಪೋಸ್ 10 ಮೀಟರ್ ರೋಪ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಾವು 15 ಮೀಟರ್ 10 ಮೀಟರ್ ರೋಪ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಏನಾದರೂ ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಏರಿಯಾವನ್ನು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೈಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್, ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ quadrant of a circle, quadrant of a field, it is equal to same formula pi r square by 4. So here 3.14, but here r radius is 10 meter, here radius is 5 meter. First ಗೆ 5 meter rope ತಗೊಂಡು ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ rope ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಾವೇನಾದರೂ ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ನ ಟೈ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಏರಿಯಾವನ್ನ ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸಪೋಸ್ 10 ಮೀಟರ್ ರೋಪ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 3.14 into 10 square divided by 4. ಆಗ 3.14 into 10 square means 100 by 4. So 314 by 4 meter square. Okay. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. See this area and this area we should subtract it. So 314 by 4 minus of 78.50 by 4. 78.50 by 4. Okay. See denominator or same, subtract the numerator. 314 minus of 78.50. Okay. So I subtract here 314 and 78.50. So 0 10 5 minus here 13 30 minus of 8 is 5. Next one 0 10 minus of 7 is 3 and here 235.50 meter, sorry 235.50 divided by 4 meter square. So that much area they are increasing. This is the increasing area. First 5 meter rope ಇಂದ 78.50 by 4 meter square ಏರಿಯಾವನ್ನ ಗ್ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 10 meter rope ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ 314 by 4 meter square ಏರಿಯಾವನ್ನ ಗ್ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 235.50 by 4 meter square ಅಷ್ಟು ಏರಿಯಾವನ್ನ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. Okay, so this is the question number E, first and second question. Okay students, yes, in the remaining questions students in this exercise we have to discuss in the next class. Are you understand these kinds of all problems? Yes, thank you.